Whenever I set up my Wi-Fi network here at this new house, I had an issue. I have a detached garage over here, which I use as a workshop, and it has the backer board on it that has the aluminum foil coating, and that basically creates a giant Faraday box because my signal wasn't getting through there. So I had to come up with another solution, and that was this direct burial Cat 6 Plus cable from Syston. I ran it from my router in my house through the attic, came out of the house here, down into the ground, ran a conduit under my sidewalk, kept it buried here, ran it along this trough here and into my shop. To this outlet right here, and then to my Wi-Fi node. This cable is awesome. I'm getting my full internet speed back here in the shop, and it's doing everything that I hoped it would when I bought this. It was easy to work with, easy to set up, and I've got a 100-foot run on this one. So if you're looking for a good direct burial cable to run some Ethernet across your yard to another building, check this one out.